for your shoulders and your obliques. Feet are wide, soft bend in the knees. We're gonna take those hands to Taekwondo arms, push and switch. Punch, pull it back, rotate palm down and in. Press, press and pull. So you push away, pull on the way back, rotating that grip. When you bring that elbow back, I want you to think about bringing that shoulder blade towards the spine. Slow and controlled is the name of the game here. 4 more, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bringing it all the way. Take those weights down, shoulders back. We're gonna go with a row. Turn your toes out. Row. This one throws a lot of people. This is not hunching the shoulders. This is not a shrug. We're not lifting our shoulders up or shrugging towards our neck. We're bringing our elbows up first, sliding the weights up the front of the body. Keeping them really close. So I'm sliding up and staying in front, staying close as I go down. Notice, elbows are stopping about shoulder height. They could go a little higher, but there's no reason for them to right now. Front of the shoulders, this is getting a little bit of that upper back, those traps as well. But again, we're going for high reps, low weight. Some punches coming up. 4 more. 4, 3, 2 more, we hold. 2, hold it up right here, elbows in, push it front, pull it back, front and back. Good. I tend to move around a little bit, but you guys can just stay in one place. Just make sure you keep those knees soft. Both arms. Here we go. Push, pull, reach, pull. 2, 1 more. Bring them down all the way. Good job.